Hello and welcome to Cosmic Paramita. In this video, we will briefly describe about seeing spiritual sense or intuition. Of course, there are so many sense or intuitions or non-humans which also located in various places that along with human as well. Inhuman consists of good, bad, inhuman, or good instincts, have angel guarding the village, home, or in the mountain called Rukatevata, and also life in the pagoda, also called Ramatevata, are the angel in the lower level or the lower classes. And the angel in the sky above are the higher class angel. On the other hand, inhuman or evil spirits are demons. Some of them are evil. Therefore, they commit bad action as evil in the wrong way. They do not follow the king of deity or the king of the heaven, who has the power to mislead human eyes. Thus, some people can see all kinds of intuition because the nature of those who have built many merits by nature or those who have character of inner way as well. There are three kinds of inhuman vision according to the individual nature of a character, such as first one, by seeing through visualized dream. Visualized in conscious mind memory can see both good and bad intuition, such as dreaming to see ghosts, demons, intuition as deity. Some deity are seen to be human being, or see the Paramita of any soul ancestors. By seeing this observation can confirm the inhuman appearance of each class, leading us to distinguish which one as well. Second, seeing through fresh vision or seeing with the naked eye. Immediately, according to the character of temperament, some people can see clearly as a human form, while others can see less clearly as a shadow image. Through such fresh sight-seeing can be seen sooner or later, or just disappear for a while. Sometimes see the edge or the rim of the eyes. Not only that, if you have a high temperament in the past, before seeing the intuition or sense, have felt as a sign to know that there are really inhuman around, and also change behavior of the body rapidly. Third, by seeing through the closure of the eyes. On meditation, when the mind is in peace, we can see the intuition around us, because the intuition inside is not in the external atmosphere, like human being, unless we close our eyes to see it's clearer than looking with open eyes. Moreover, seeing in meditation is seen with a calm mind that is not afraid of the intuition, that are with us every day. At that time, the intuition or the spiritual sense will indicate to reveal the real appearance in the inner way, to see more wisely, that can make many presumptions. The reality of Inhuman is that they want to be shown to everyone as well, but cannot be shown by seeing with temperament, only by seeing with intuition. Seeing the Inhuman or intuition at every time is like holding on to strong conscious mind or stable mental memory without fear, keeping it calm with inner peace. The influence of intuition of Inhuman, some are powerful or weak, can overwhelm us when we see it and cause reaction to the body, also called Paramita defect, or in Khmer called temperament. Both good or bad intuition as well. Therefore, some people can see often but cannot communicate with each other, being in different domain or limited area, unless being in the mind fully in the peace. With a calm and stable mind can negotiate through meditation. Good intuition, he always comes to show people to know, but can enter through visualized dream and categorize of merit equal or more than human being. Lower classes of Inhuman that chaos without any merit cannot communicate with human beings as well. Finally, some Inhuman or instincts can appear or vision to people, even invitation from that person, because some people have sacred objects or paramita keeping them, which could not let others around them as well. And this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.